Hi friends, my name is Bharath Chandra. Can you really make profits in intraday and futures and options? You must have seen many ads on YouTube and other websites where it says earn rupees 2000 per day by sitting at home and doing intraday trading. Everybody gets excited when they hear daily income without going to office. It feels like it is the best thing in the world. In our videos, we cover long-term investing and also short-term trading. But many people are curious to know what is intraday trading since all brokers and most people encourage intraday trading. In stock markets, broadly you can do three types of transactions. 1. Long-term investing, 5 years plus. 2. Positional trading or short-term trading, few days to few months. And 3. Ultra short-term trading, intraday trading, that is a transaction completed within 1 day. Most people are attracted to option number 3. As you know, in the last 5 years, the number of demat accounts have increased from around 4.1 crores in March 2020 to more than 19 crore demat accounts in April 2025. Investors are attracted to the markets because of the hope of quick money. Intraday trading means completing a transaction within 1 day. For example, buying 100 shares of company A on a particular day and selling the same 100 shares before the end of the day. In intraday, there are two ways you can do transactions. If you expect the stock price to rise, you will buy the shares and then sell at a higher price on the same day and make a profit. If you expect the stock price to fall, you can even sell the shares first and then buy back at a lower price and make a profit. Usually, in most trading terminals, there will be an option to select whether intraday or delivery. Usually, the default option is taking delivery or buying and holding the shares for more than 1 day. Even if you do not exit your position in intraday, the broker will automatically square off your position by around 3:10 pm approximately. Advantages of intraday trading. Number 1. Risk of next day news and announcements does not exist. 2. Possibility of making money quickly. 3. Can earn even when markets fall by short selling. 4. Brokers provide 5 to 6 times margin or a loan for trading, which may increase your overall profits. Disadvantages of intraday trading. Margin provided by broker can also be an additional risk since there is chance of higher loss. 2. Intraday trading is highly risky and more than 95% of the traders incur loss over a period. 3. Making loss in intraday trading may result in you losing interest in stock market itself. Point number 4. Intraday trading leads to extreme tension throughout the day on every working day. 5. Severe stress can lead to various health problems like high blood pressure, diabetes, heart problem, etc. 6. When doing intraday trading, people usually feel very restless and cannot focus on anything else during market hours. Generally, we have observed that many people start intraday trading and make small profits in the first few days. Then they get overconfident, and when they continue it for the next 1 to 2 months, they would have incurred a net loss and they would have lost majority of their capital. At this stage, they leave stock markets permanently. Not only do such investors never return to stock markets, they inform their friends and relatives about the negatives of stock markets. This is like a new driver who starts driving at 120 km per hour speed, and when he meets with an accident, he never drives again, but also tells everybody that driving is very risky and dangerous. Similarly, intraday trading and futures and option trading is risky even if it is done with lot of technique and risk management. But when new investors do such trading, the chance of loss is almost 95 to 99%. In spite of SEBI making it compulsory to display a disclaimer for investors to be aware that 93% of people who do F&O trading make losses, new investors continue to trade it. Similarly, the statistics for intraday trading is around 80% of the people make losses. If you see any trading terminal, the first message which comes is a disclaimer or the disclosure saying that F&O and intraday trading is risky. The reason for this is that intraday and futures option trading gives a lot of thrill for investors, and hence most people do this. This is the reason why some people do betting in race courses. Even though they may lose, the hormones secreted in their mind encourage them to continue. Also, most of the times, new investors do not have the risk appetite to lose money. Some people are able to withstand the loss and some people can't take the pressure. Intraday trading is suitable for whom? People who have lot of money and risk appetite to lose some money. People who have a lot of free time and are employed or doing any business. People who are ready to experiment with their money for many months or years until they can consistently make profits. Our opinion. We feel that more than 98% of the people do not have the risk appetite nor time to do intraday trading. We suggest long-term investing and positional short-term trading where the risk is much lower and the probability of making profits is very high. We believe that it is better to earn slowly but surely than losing our capital. This trend of investors, especially retail investors, not being keen about long-term investing but very interested to make quick and regular money is not very healthy. It indicates short-sightedness in their planning. Please note that making money in the short term, especially intraday and futures options, involves higher risk and there is no guarantee of making profits irrespective of what people say and claim. Many people you might have seen are teaching F&O trading and most people are making losses but nobody talks about it. In spite of knowing this, majority of the stock market channels in Kannada, Hindi and English recommend intraday and futures options to small retail investors who do not have the risk appetite. When you lose money, nobody will take the moral responsibility and feel guilty that you have lost money because of them. So you need to be careful and you need to avoid intraday trading and futures and options. Stick to long-term investing, whether it's stocks directly or through mutual funds. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, have you seen your friends or yourself do intraday trading and futures option trading and lose money? If yes, type yes in the comment section, otherwise type no. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.